Most people struggle with pull-ups, and for good reason. Lifting your entire body using just your arms takes real strength, coordination, and control. But here's the thing, you don't need to do a single pull-up to start building that kind of power. What if I told you that simply hanging from the bar could unlock strength in your arms, shoulders, core, and back, while also protecting your spine, lungs, and even your heart? This simple move is called the dead hang, and it might be one of the most underrated longevity exercises you'll ever do. It decompresses your spine after hours of sitting, strengthens your grip, which is directly linked to longer lifespan, improves posture, relieves shoulder tension, and even boosts blood flow and circulation throughout your body. And the best part? It takes less than a minute a day. No gym memberships, no machines, no excuses, just you, your body weight, and gravity doing what it does best. If you care about moving pain-free, standing taller, breathing easier, and keeping your body strong as you age, stick around. Because in this video, I'll break down exactly how to do a dead hang safely, how long to hang for, and the incredible changes your body goes through when you make it part of your daily routine. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss simple, science-backed tips to build a body that lasts for life. 1. Dead hangs decompress the spine. Our spines may deteriorate as a result of modern society's sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long periods puts strain on your back and neck muscles, tightens your hip flexors, and restricts blood flow to your glutes, muscles that are crucial for back support. Spending a few minutes hanging every day can be especially beneficial for those who sit in front of a screen or behind the wheel for long hours. 2. Improve grip strength. Dead hangs are one of the best exercises to improve grip strength, and a firm grip is useful for much more than just holding your phone. Research suggests poor grip strength can be a risk factor for reduced mobility later in life. Whether you're opening a jar or rock climbing, grip strength matters. Doing dead hangs several times per week can significantly boost your grip power, which translates into better performance in exercises like pull-ups, rows, deadlifts, and more. 3. Upper body stretch. Dead hangs provide a deep stretch for your shoulders, arms, and back. If your body feels stiff from sitting or working out, try adding dead hangs as a cool down or recovery stretch a few times a week. 4. Relieve shoulder discomfort. If you're dealing with shoulder issues, especially a rotator cuff injury, dead hangs can help strengthen and stabilize your shoulder muscles, supporting recovery and improving function. 5. Posture correction. Finally, dead hangs are excellent for improving posture. They help strengthen, relax, loosen, and mobilize your upper body, all key factors in standing tall and aligned. Before you spend money on posture-correcting gadgets, try simply hanging. It's simple, effective, and surprisingly powerful. If you haven't started practicing dead hangs yet, now is the perfect time. It doesn't take fancy equipment or hours in the gym, just a sturdy bar and a few minutes a day. Start small. Hang for 10 to 15 seconds, rest, and repeat. Over time, you'll notice your grip getting stronger, your back feeling looser, and your posture standing taller, all from one simple move. Remember, this isn't just about building muscle. It's about giving your body the relief it's been craving from hours of sitting and slouching. You're decompressing your spine, improving circulation, and training your joints to move the way they were meant to. So make it a daily ritual. Even 60 seconds can change how you feel. And if you stay consistent, you'll be amazed at how much lighter, stronger, and more confident your body becomes. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried dead hangs before? How long can you hang for right now? Drop your time in the comments below. Let's challenge each other to get better every week. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss simple, science-backed tips to build a body that lasts for life. Here's to stronger hands, a healthier spine, and a body that's built to last, one hang at a time.